I would like to show you the Blog Biz Spreadsheet that is available now in my store. It's an annual profitability tracker for your blogging business. It is created using Google Sheets, so you can use this spreadsheet without having to buy any software. The first tab contains the Let's Get Started page. It gives a picture of the sheets included and tells which cells or areas can be edited and which cannot be edited. The area inside the black rectangle are best left untouched, because it is automatically filled with information as you fill up the other areas on the page, while the area within the blue rectangle can be edited. Let's look at the second tab that contains the summary page. There is a table that summarizes your income and expenses per month. Then, the last column, your net profit or loss, is automatically computed for you. The charts are also automatically generated for you. Now, the third tab contains the January spreadsheet. It is divided into two sections. The table of expenses is on top and the table of income is at the bottom. The table headings can be edited with whatever categories of income or expenses that you want. For example, change miscellaneous 1 with VA. Just click on the cell and type the word. If you do it this way, you have to manually change all the miscellaneous 1 in the spreadsheet. A faster way to replace the words is to click Edit, then click Find and Replace. Type the words you want to replace and the word you want to replace it with. Then, click Find and Replace All. Doing it this way will replace all the miscellaneous 1 words in the spreadsheet. As you can see, all the miscellaneous 1 words that appear in all the tabs have been replaced with VA. Now, let's fill in some information into the spreadsheet. For example, on the blogging expenses table, type GoDaddy in the company column, then $15 in the hosting column. Don't forget to type the date. If we check the Summary tab, the table is automatically updated with the amount for the month of January. The totals under Hosting of the Expenses table is updated as well. Now, let's fill in some information into the table of income. Let's say that I sold a printable planner at my Etsy shop for $5. If we check the Summary tab, the table is again automatically updated. There are 12 tabs for each month of the year. Each month, the layout of information is the same. You can further customize your spreadsheet by changing the header graphics. Just copy your image and paste it on the sheet. Delete the former image and adjust the position of the new graphic. You can also change the color of the headings of the table or any cell that you want. Just click the cell and click the color fill icon. Then, choose the color you like. You can also use the eyedropper to choose any color on the page. You can also choose multiple cells and change their color at the same time. Okay. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.